In this video, I'll show you how to add live cricket scores to the Now bar on your Samsung S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, S25 Ultra, S25 Plus, or any latest Samsung device running the newest software. By default, when you lock your phone, you can see the Now bar on the lock screen. The cool thing is that you can add live sports updates there, so you can check match scores without unlocking your device. You can also view live scores on the horizontal lock screen display and even in the status bar when your phone is unlocked. So if you want to see live cricket scores directly on your lock screen, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung device. Scroll down and tap Lock Screen and AOD Always on Display. Now scroll down and tap Now bar. Tap See All. Scroll down until you find Sports from Google. Make sure this option is turned on. Now tap Sports from Google Settings. Here, you'll find a list of available sports categories, including football, cricket, basketball, American football, hockey, and more. Tap on Cricket. Inside Cricket, you'll see different tournaments and categories, such as ICC events, Cricket World Cup, IPL, international matches, domestic leagues, and more. Select the cricket tournament or match you want to follow. For this example, let's choose Cricket World Cup. Next, tap the follow button for the team or match you want live updates for. Once you're done, tap Finish at the bottom. That's it! Whenever the match is live, you'll automatically see the live cricket score in the Now bar on your lock screen. Also, show live match score on Always on Display to your Samsung phone. And when you unlock your phone, the live score may also appear in the status bar for quick access. So that's how you can easily add live cricket scores to the Now bar on your Samsung S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, S26, or any latest Samsung device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.